Hello everyone, this is Deepa and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install MongoDB on your Windows 11 operating system. So first of all, what is MongoDB? It's popular open source document database known for flexibility and scalability. It is classified as a non-SQL database. It does not rely on traditional tables and rows like relational database. Instead, MongoDB stores data in flexible format like JSON files or structured data, unstructured data or semi-structured data. So let's get started. Open your browser and search for Mongo download. You can see the first link, MongoDB community server download, which is official website. So click on this and MongoDB community server download is available over here. So you can see the version 8.0.8 which is a current version, and you can download the previous versions as well, but if the current version is available, just select the current version. And platform is Windows x64. There are multiple platforms, but I have Windows 64, so I will select this. And package is MSI. Just click on this download button. You can see the download has been started and it will take some time. So download has been completed. Just click on this. And it's preparing to install. Click on next and select the checkbox. I accept the terms in the license agreement. Click on next. I recommend you to select the complete. All program features will be installed, or you can customize it, but click on the complete. You have to specify the configuration settings. So select run service as a network service user, and the service name is MongoDB, and data directory is this path. You can change the path if you want, or log directory is this one. So the log will be stored on this particular path and data will be stored on this particular path. So click on the next. Here install MongoDB Compass. So Compass is an official graphical user interface for the database MongoDB, and you have to select this checkbox, install MongoDB Compass, and then you click on the next button. Just click on install. The installation has been started for the MongoDB. You will see the window as user account control. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just select yes button. And here completed the MongoDB 8.0.8. So click on this finish button, and simultaneously the Compass has been installed. So just click on start. Now you can see the MongoDB Compass application is open. Before using this Compass application, we will install MongoDB shell. Within the same website, just click on tools and you can see the MongoDB shell. We'll just try to understand what is this MongoDB shell. It is an interactive console you can use to connect to the database server and execute command on it. It allows you to perform administrative tasks. So the latest version is 2.5.0 and it's for Windows 10 plus, and the package is zip available, so we can click on download. You can see the download is started and it's done, I guess. Open in the folder, click on extract and select the destination. So I will browse it to the drive C, program files, MongoDB, and click on select folder, and you can extract here. See continue. So you can see the extracted files will be into this mongod sh. Click on this bin folder and then copy this path. Click on Windows search and search for edit system variable. Edit system environment variable. Click on this environment variable and you can select the path variable, then click on edit, click new and set the path over here. Say okay, okay and okay. So we have done the setting for the variable. Once the setting for the system environment variable is done, we'll check whether it's working proper or not. So open the command prompt and type the command mongo sh. So this will give the confirmation whether we have done the setting proper or not. So it's done properly. Now we'll come back to the MongoDB Compass. Let's understand what is a MongoDB Compass. It is a graphical user interface which acts like a client for your MongoDB server, and to connect we can click on this add new connection. To connect your default MongoDB server database, you can use this default URL which is MongoDB localhost 27017 and click on save and connect. And you can see that our default databases available over here is admin, config and local. Here you can create database and you can perform the actions as per your requirements. So this is all about MongoDB database installation and configurations. And if you like the video, please subscribe it, share with your friends and keep exploring my videos.